Let's build some autonomous AI research experiments. So I'm using new Minimax M3 and then Opus 4.8 and GPT 5.5. So first I want to have AI propose some ideas and then I might work on them, or I might have AI work on them depending on, I still don't know how good they are. So here I see the idea and then I want to see some explanation. I have this database and I want to use this database to organize all of the research ideas, runs, threads, queues. So the idea is that GPU will look at the queue and then pool tasks, train models, experiments. So when you're building some software, you want to focus on deleting stuff. So you see it's already cluttered. I want to focus on deleting stuff. Okay, so here the next step. I had so many of these fields, but I deleted all of them. So here I want to have good description for each idea. AI will search internet, generate ideas, and I want it to write good description. First I told Opus to make all of this, but now I'm using a GPT Mini because it's fast, it's good, and Minimax M3, this is even better, I think, even faster. And I'm just gonna try using both in parallel. And first I want to delete unnecessary attributes and fields here, and this guy is writing descriptions. So I'm gonna say allow. And now it's a lot better, it has these better explanations. Now I want to add input field that's gonna let me write my review on this and give tasks to AI. If you want to become AI researcher, you can check out school community here. I'm posting every day. We're doing projects, doing research, writing papers, and there is classroom videos. So you can learn everything from scratch, step by step. And when AI is suggesting too many things to do, first I told it to summarize because it wrote so much text, but even then it's too difficult. So I said, let's just tell me the first thing you want to do, first thing you want to delete. So use this trick, like tell it to just tell you one thing, one sentence, and then you can judge it. So you can see it said one thing, delete this because it's duplicate. It's very easy to understand. And then I said, do it and recommend the next single thing. And then I'm going to read the next single thing, and that's going to be a lot easier to follow. So I think it's good that Opus was working with me. I told it I need a database to track experiments. It made a database, but it was sloppy. And now I started deleting a bunch of stuff that I need. So we had like so many idea categories. But now I'm just gonna leave proposed, queued, done, rejected, and that's it. So it's gonna be very. And then here I keep deleting like stuff. So I was talking to Opus. I was telling it did everything, but now I'm refining and deleting, and then I'm gonna expand. So you can also tell your AI to open PRs if you have multiple of them working together. So this repository is the database that I'm building for auto research. So usually different AIs could work in different Git work trees so they don't stomp on each other's work. So auto research database. Now I'm looking at Parameter Golf by OpenAI. It's also a speedrun of LLM. And there are many ideas here, but you see Claude Opus will already say that because we have different types of speedruns, half of the leaderboard is already like useless for us. But I like this. I think like half of the leaderboard is still very useful. So actually, if you see, it's gonna list all of the things that we should skip, like anything, because we have fixed parameters and fixed tokens. So anything that's gonna increase parameters or use more compute, we don't need that. Our compute is bottleneck actually. And here we have recommendation for QK gain. It gets rediscovered in many of them. I'm not sure what Opus means by rediscovered, so I asked it. And some other like hyperparameter search. This is architecture improvement. Now I also want to like come up with our own architecture, not just like do some hyperparameters. You see how I can actually just talk to it. It's so good because I asked for some architecture ideas. It told me something. I said, but wait, these numbers are not correct, I think. But even if it's wrong, it gives so good ideas. Like, we have so much stuff in the vocabulary and embeddings, not so much in the transformer, so we can move, like, give more parameters to the transformer. It's good if you just pick one idea and then think about it. Auto research doesn't seem to be working right now because I feel like I need to like go ahead because it makes so many mistakes. Maybe if I had like thousands of dollars of compute or something, I can do auto research, but even then I'm not so sure. But maybe when I get more funding, I'm gonna try to do some auto research as well. So guys, I will just continue here. So I'm talking to Opus. I'm just gonna continue, and I'm gonna make a video on the results I do. So that's gonna be it for this video. You can join the school community to become AI researcher. You can see how I'm posting everything here. We're working together, and you can check the classroom here, the courses, the classrooms, learning AI research from scratch. 7-day free trial. See you inside.